Why does your stomach growl? Stomach growling, often referred to as borborygmus, is a normal physiological process that occurs in the gastrointestinal (GI) tract. It is typically caused by the movement of gas and fluids through the intestines. Here are some reasons why your stomach may growl. 1. Digestive activity. When food enters the stomach, it undergoes digestion. The stomach muscles contract and relax to mix the food with digestive juices, breaking it down into smaller particles. This process can generate noise, resulting in stomach growling.